Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm very excited because today I'm doing a unboxing of this item. Feast your eyes on this. The GHD Platinum Plus Professional Styler. Now I just received this today and absolutely brilliant, and I just wanted to do a unboxing, show you what it looks like, because here on YouTube there's not many videos on the Platinum Plus or even unboxings of the Platinum Plus, so I decided to do it for you. Now this is the box that comes in, and it says GHD Platinum Plus Professional Styler, ultimate results and stronger, healthier hair. Now all this writing is like engraved into the box, and all this patterning here is also engraved into the box. On the side it says GHD Platinum Plus Professional Styler, good hair day every day. And the same on the other side. On the back it has some information which I'll read out to you. It says GHD Platinum Plus, introducing GHD's unbeatable styler, ultimate styling results and stronger, healthier hair. Beautiful results, precision mill plates with ultrazone, ultra glossing coating for instant frizz-free styling and 20% more shine. Healthier styling in one stroke. Ultrazone with predictive technology. Responds to your hair with control to control heat more effectively than ever before. Ultimate results with 70% less breakage and 2 times more oil protection. Quick and versatile, sleek design and round apparel for snag-free styling, effective and easily. Uncompromising style. Unique wishbone hinge holds the plates in perfect alignment, giving you the control you need to create any style. Extra features is you got peace of mind, universal voltage, and its sleep mode switches off after half an hour if not used for 30 minutes. And you got the universal voltage, protective plate guard, you got the professional length 2.7 meter cable, and a 3-year warranty, when normally GHD only just gives a 2-year warranty, but now with the Platinum Plus it's a 3-year warranty, which is great. Now let's open it out. Now I got the white styler. It comes in black, but I actually got the white one because the white one looks really nice, I find. Take it out. And here you have the styler. It has GHD engraved into this silver wishbone hinge. These are the precision milled plates, and the plates feature ultrazone technology. Now what this has, it has many different sensors, because I think on the originals you had only one sensor, and now then on the Platinum I think you had 4 sensors, I believe, but now on the Platinum Plus you got this ultrazone, so you got quite a number of infinite amount of sensors. As soon as you place the hair in the plates, close the iron down, and the sensors will automatically detect your thickness of hair and the texture of your hair, and it will always apply the perfect heat to your hair and that is 185 degrees Celsius, which is 365 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is the perfect temperature for all types of hair. It doesn't matter if you have thick hair, fine hair, afro hair, Asian hair, is for everybody. 365 degrees Fahrenheit, 185 degrees is the perfect temperature, and that temperature was actually they studied that at GHD in they have a lab in Cambridgeshire, and they studied that, like scientists, physicists, chemists, they studied it, and 185 is the perfect heat. And they're calling this the world's first smart styler. Now that means is it with the ultrazone technology, you place the hair in the plates, it will straighten beautifully, it will curl, it will flick, it will wave, it will do everything that you want it to do. And the temperature is actually regulated 250 times per second, which is amazing. So you're gonna have an even temperature across the whole both plates with that ultrazone technology and the infinite amount of sensors. That is absolutely amazing, I find. And the design of the iron is great. The way it looks, the wishbone hinge. When normally on the originals you just had the V-shaped hinge, which only actually closed just one plate, but now with the wishbone hinge it actually closes both plates together at the same time. This is a great looking straightener. It looks good, it feels good, it's very lightweight, it's not too heavy at all, and I think it's great. Now this iron is around about £189 mark. If you shop around you can get it for a lot cheaper than that. But yeah, it's wonderful iron. It's GHD's Platinum Plus. It's their flagship iron, and yeah, it's wonderful. I love it. So inside, let me get inside the box for you. You have your hologram on the plug. Make sure that you don't remove that because it will invalidate the warranty. Your plug. Also, you have your plate guard here, which says GHD on there. So when you finish using that styler, pop the plate guard on just like that, and it will protect your plates. It will protect, so you can leave it on the table or anything and it won't burn or anything like that. And inside you have your GHD guide, and this guide tells you, it's a stylist top tips. It tells you how to actually use the iron, and it tells you how to section your hair off properly, how to actually use the iron properly. It's saying, I'll actually read this for you. Introducing GHD Platinum Plus, the unbeatable styler. Now you can achieve perfect results while respecting the condition of your hair. No compromise needed. Healthier styling in one stroke. Ultrazone with predictive technology. So it actually predicts your hair's needs. It predicts the level of thickness of your hair, and as soon as you place the iron on the hair, the sensor will get to work on the iron, on the hair, and it will apply the perfect heat of 185 degrees. And it's also 17% less breakage and 2 times more color protection. And the unique wishbone hinge gives you greater control, enabling you to straighten right from the root, keeping your hair perfectly positioned between the plates. Now, the stylus tips is, it's all about sectioning. Now this is where a lot of people go wrong, because I've watched loads of videos on YouTube. People think, yes, they're straightening their hair properly because they're taking big clumps. The front bit might be straight, but the underneath sections, they're still very frizzy and wavy because they haven't sectioned their hair properly. So starting at the bottom and working up in sections is the easiest way to style. So that's by this picture here. Then it says, don't squeeze too tightly. Your fingers and thumbs should feel relaxed so the plates can float and glide across the hair. And then it says, take your time. Glide your stylus smoothly through your hair at the same speed as if you were gently brushing it. And keep the styler super straight for a modern sharp, or turn the styler under for a softer finish. And this also adapts to your styling speed too. So that's part of the ultrazone technology. It doesn't matter how slow you're going, how quick you're going, it'll automatically adjust to your styling speed too. Now, okay, so that's what that says. So it says it in different languages too. And finally, you have your safety instructions and manufacturer guarantee. And now you must go on the GHD website and you must register the iron. It has a 3-year manufacturer's guarantee. So as soon as you receive the iron, go on the website gsdhair.com and register the iron. And if anything happens to it within the 3-year period, you get a brand new iron, or they'll send you out a replacement. So yeah, this is great. So yeah, look, it looks good, it feels good, it's really, really good. Now, so that's all that you get in there. So I think it's a really good iron. It is pricey, I admit, yes it is, but you are paying for the best, and GHD Platinum Plus is the best styler that they've ever launched actually. And we've used GHD in the house for since 2001 when GHD first launched, and it's all we ever use, my whole family, and they're amazing. And yeah, so thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed this little review of an unboxing of the GHD Platinum Plus. Let me know if you have a GHD Platinum Plus. Let me know if you want one. Let me know if you plan to get it, and let me know what straightener you actually use. And yeah, it's great. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there today. Thanks for watching today, and do have a very good day wherever you're doing. And don't forget, comment, rate and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. That would be great. So once again, thanks for joining me today, and do have a good day wherever you're doing, and see you later. Bye.